And this project which we are doing is a project where we are using waste material, waste plastic bottles, and these bottles will be 1,50,000 of these bottles will be converted into flowers like this, and one full field will be of these flowers. It is called a carpet of joy. It's 2,000 square meters of carpet, which rises up into the sky about 13 meters. So it will be a kind of a very interesting thing to watch. And then we will work with almost 3,000 or more students who will come and do these flowers. They will cut the flowers, and all of them will take an oath that we shall not litter. And after that, this project will be also converted into sort of a plan to make Saligaon absolutely litter free.
That such a project is coming in a beautiful village of Saligaon. Carpet of joy. So happiness and joy go together. So Saligaon is considered to be the most happiest village in whole of Goa. So carpet of joy is coming to Saligaon. I am very much impressed. I also want to, with this, a beautiful message is passed that there is no garbage. You can make anything out of garbage, and nothing like better than flowers. So I think garbage getting it converted into flowers is a wonderful thing, and happening right in front of my eyes near my panchayat is a wonderful thing for me and the village of Saligaon.